side. Right there is where you should be. Play. Emmett, your drop side. Stay level. Good, big. Again. You are now. Good. Love it, Ariana. Quincy, you're back. Watch your back. Watch the middle, Ariana.
Stop it.
Good, Jess.
Good job, Jess. Back up. She can kick it. Back up. Go.
Again, Emmy.
Come on.
Emmy, you're backing off. You can't back off. You got to win the second and third ball, too. Good, Jess.
Back up.
Quincy, you got to be better there, kiddo. Turn and go.
Go.
You got to beat him.
Go, Emmy.
Ariana, come on out. Hey, Emmy, put the ball on the other side of the flag if you're going to use your right foot. Yep, there you go. Hey, Bree. Step up, Ellie, step up. There's no reason for us to be back that far.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
It's a nice handball.
Emmy, get in.
Go Adam. Come on, beat him. Tess, hold up. Emmy, which side is yours? Thank you. All right. Ellie, you stay back right now in case we get a counter. Go ahead here. Quick. Emmy, get open. Great ball.
Yes, up.
Come on, Ellie, don't be soft.
Go, Ellie.
Come on, Quincy.
Go.
Aiden, you gotta run with the ball.
Dominic, David, you gotta step up and stay with Dominic. Step up, David, step up.
Once you make that pass, Aiden, you're not done.
Dominic, can you up?
Get on the backside.
Bree, you gotta work back, kiddo. We can't rely on those two. You're back. Come on, Jess. Too slow, kiddo. Too slow. Bree, that's why we gotta work back. We can't just have those two playing defense. The center mid has to play defense. She's on the outside. Stay with the Bree. Work back on defense.
Score one right now.
That's you, Bree.
Good, Ellie.
Dude, turn it on.
Good, Bree. So what's the score?
Good, Bree. Oh, you're too close, everybody. Rip it. Come on, Emmy, quick. Cover the
It's just
middle.
right now.
Jesse, now.
That little guy right
Ready,
there.
it's too late again.
That's 4. Got it.